The grind is for real. You have to put the grind. You also have to put the grind in knowing you may not see a paycheck for 3, almost 6 months sometimes. So what you're doing today is building up your pipeline at least 3 months out. So you have to know that. So what you need to do, especially if you're brand new in this game, get a line of credit, a loan, or something that you can, for 6 months, can you rely on to pay. It's the nature of it. So you're not worried about that money coming in, so you can grind it out. And what does grind out mean? Grinding out means is like, you have to put yourself out there. You have to figure out ways at which you can promote yourself, market yourself. And what is that? Sometimes that's like in the mornings, you should be, talking to people, phone calls, whether that's people that you know, and try to blast your name out there. There's creating videos doing that. There's open houses you should be doing. There's door knocking. There's so many things you could be doing and that's you need to grind it out. Now, when we're talking about the passion part, once you get the lead, you can cultivate that lead. No, you have to find out why they have reached out to you, resonated well with you. That's where it comes in. But hey, don't be fooled. Even if you have that lead, don't just rely on that lead. You're going to have to continue to grind even after you get that lead. If you enjoyed this clip and want to hear more, subscribe to the DC Talks podcast on YouTube or wherever you listen to your podcasts.